Sometimes, your car may act up because of an electrical problem. It might not start, lights might flicker, or something just doesn't work right. Thankfully, there are many ways to fix an electrical problem in your car. Your battery powers everything electrical in your car. If your car will not start or lights are dim, it might be low or dead. Use a multimeter to check if it has at least 12.6 volts. If it is weak, try charging or replacing it. Make sure the battery cables are tightly connected. Loose or corroded cables can stop power from flowing. Clean any rust with a wire brush and tighten the clamps. Blown fuses can stop things like windows, radios, or lights from working. Find your fuse box, usually under the dash or hood, and check for any broken fuses. Replace any blown ones with fuses of the same size. The alternator charges your battery when the engine is running. If your car dies shortly after starting or you see the battery warning light, the alternator might be bad. Many mechanics can diagnose this problem quickly and efficiently. Cars use ground wires to complete electrical circuits. If these wires are rusty, broken, or loose, things may stop working. Check under the hood and inside the car for bad grounds and fix them as needed. If a light is not working, the bulb may just be burned out. Replace it with a new one. If that doesn't help, check the socket for rust or damage. Modern car keys have chips in them. If the chip fails, your car may not start. Try using your spare key to see if it makes a difference. A faulty ignition switch can cause your car not to start or power on. If the dashboard lights don't turn on with the key, this might be the problem. Relays control high-power circuits like fuel pumps and cooling fans. Swap a suspect relay with a known good one of the same type to test it. If you have tried these steps and the problem still is not fixed, it might be time to visit a mechanic. Some electrical problems are complex and need expert tools, which can help avoid causing further damage to your car. A loose or damaged alternator belt can affect the alternator's performance. Inspect the belt for wear and replace it if necessary. This will help maintain proper charging and prevent further damage. If your car's heater or air conditioning is not working properly, the blower motor could be the problem. Test it by turning the climate control on and seeing if it blows air. Car electrical problems can be frustrating, but many can be solved with a few basic tools and checks. You can save your time, money, and a trip to the mechanic and keeps your car in good condition.